How to change your age on TikTok. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to change your age. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. And then move into Settings and Privacy. So inside Settings and Privacy, you should know that there is no any feature or updates where you will be able to change your age on TikTok. So it is impossible to change your age directly from TikTok. But if you really want to change your name, then what you can do is scroll down and then head over to Report a Problem. In here, move into Account and Profile. And then head over to Editing Profile. Tap on Other. Over here it says, Is your problem solved? Tap on No, and then click on Need More Help. It will land you on this page. In this page, you will be able to chat with the TikTok support. So all you want to do is state the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. You can simply write that you want to change your age but you are not being able to. Please help me change my age as soon as possible. Once you have sent this message, within 24 hours, they will respond to you with the available solution that they have, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your age on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.